It's Tuesday, March 25th. Yep, 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 yep. Salute. You know that commercial is a little bit annoying, but it's very effective, I think, for AT&T. Okay, let's do this coffee and forecast thing, shall we? My voice is well, still not all there, but it's got some depth to it today. It's coming back. I like that. Enough about me. Let's talk weather. 83 yesterday's high. We hit that at 4:42ish yesterday afternoon. After a low of 52 at 6:41 in the morning, it's 6:54 in the morning right now. So we're pretty close to our low right now. Problem is, I don't know what the current temperature is. Sunrise at 6:21, that happened, and sunset tonight at 6:39. Forecast today, a lot like yesterday, but different. A lot like yesterday temperature-wise, and not a lot of wind, but we actually have an upper level low moving through southern Arizona today, and it will bring a few clouds this afternoon, especially over the mountains, and maybe even a thunderstorm for the mountains mainly east of Tucson. But that's kind of exciting and worth watching, but might see some puffy white clouds in the area, especially over the Catalinas today and the Rincons too. And, maybe if we can get enough moisture in the mid-levels, we could see a thunderstorm over our local mountains. But again, the better chance is further east. So that's kind of interesting. All right, low out of here tonight, 52, and then a much stronger storm missing us to the north, affecting northern Arizona even. So it'll be close enough to really bring up those winds out of the west, 20 to 25 miles an hour, gusting to near 40 miles an hour Wednesday afternoon. A high near 80, but, those dust-prone areas, got to watch out for that, for areas of blowing dust possibly. And I think the Weather Service has also issued a fire weather watch. So it could be a high fire danger with those winds as well, which makes sense because we've been pretty dry. Thursday, excuse me, on the backside of that storm will be much cooler and a little bit of a breeze, 5 to 15 miles an hour, high near 74. Friday looks awesome, sunshine 76. And then into the 80s again for the weekend, Saturday 84, Sunday 86, and 85 on Monday. Here's what's going on around the country. So you see that stationary front snaking along the eastern slopes of the Rockies. So you get some colder air banked up against the Rockies. So anything east of that is on the cool side. And then as you get to the big storm on the East Coast, it's on the cold side because there's heavy snow possible for, say, southern New Jersey, into the Washington, D.C. area, Maryland, Virginia. So kind of a mess there. And then just some of your regular snow for the rest of the region, as far south as Tennessee and North Carolina, and then into the Ohio Valley as well, with a low centered over the Great Lakes. So we got snow in Michigan as too, upper and lower peninsula. So then we get further to the west, and looks like possibility of some rain and thunderstorms for parts of Texas into New Mexico. And then again, that slight chance of a thunderstorm over the mountains east of Tucson. Then you see that little wedge of no precip, and that would be pretty much Tucson west into California, and then a chance of rain along the California coast with heavy snow possible for the Lake Tahoe area, and even into southern Oregon. Looks like maybe around Crater Lake, and then also heavy snow possible for northern Washington into British Columbia, and also into the Rockies of British Columbia, and more snow perhaps for Idaho, Montana, western Wyoming, and down into Utah. So, and that's our forming storm, is the one off the Pacific Northwest coast. That's the strong storm that's going to dive south and bring us all the wind. The L that you don't see over Southern California is an actual upper level low without a surface low associated with it. So these L's are surface lows, so no surface low, but just the upper level low that's moving across the area. That's kind of dry, but should, again, wrap in enough moisture in the mid-levels for a chance of a shower or thunderstorm over the mountains, mainly east of Tucson. But it could happen. We might see a thunderstorm over the Rincons this afternoon. Certainly some puffy white clouds over the mountains today, and maybe drifting into the valley. 82, so really pretty nice day. 52 tonight, Tomorrow, not a very nice day. Not too many people like the wind, especially when it's gusting to near 40 miles an hour. A high near 80. Thursday looks pretty nice, though. A little bit of breeze hanging on, 5 to 10 miles an hour or so, and high near 74. And then we get into Friday. Beautiful sunshine, 76. 80s for the weekend, not bad. Saturday, 84. Sunday, 86. 85 for Monday. Voice starting to lose it there at the end. Coffee and a forecast for you. It is a Tuesday, which is not Monday. That coffee is good. Yep. Excuse me. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Have a wonderful day, and we'll have even more to talk about this big windstorm coming for tomorrow, and maybe we'll even see a thunderstorm today. That would be exciting. But again, it'll probably be in the distance, over a mountain somewhere where you're not. Talk to you later.